Ishi All Tangkul Medicos Association we first general conference kala chiling soda free surgical camp here at November 13 kala 14 CHSRC leadership ukruli rungdalay issue we ishi Tangkul community with hada va khare ishi medical community we khare sada conference kasane ishi doctors dental kala ishi allopathy uli marumda gup khai doctor si mi chaka thada akha leidle kala katamnaw hangphang alang da leidle kala aji hina ishui khare conference hada ishui ayarli pam da clipping la chungka ungjang la kala retire sa khai ping la ungjang rok la ishi conference kharung ne aji ishui conference leader rang room da clay ishi members hang chuko da chishat register asaye kala healing soda itumwi pharmaceutical company ping kala khangtei dei ping chung ra laka aje issue program hi mi shaka thumra khalang laka issue program hi khuika dale.
In his presidential speech, Dr. Wormi Sharon shared the journey of all Tangkul Medicos Association ATMA and their aspirations.
A platform for supporting each other and upliftment of our people, the one we call our own. With the zeal to serve humanity and to equip ourselves with the best knowledge, till date, ATMA has made a contribution in various forms amounting to more than 5 lakhs to Ukhrul and Kantun district during the COVID crisis from our fund and contribution from our ATMA members. Our ATMA journey starts with a moment of inspiration, that is to pursue medicine. We find a mentor, our seniors, to show us the way. We encounter lots of struggles and hardships before emerging stronger and more resilient, forever changed by the experience. COVID-19 has brought immense challenges and pain for so many, including our community. We have struggled mightily at times.
Issue we kharin ba ishi Tangkul nauping apam taing taida Dimapur mathai mane kala Guwahati Delhi Shillong lipam the clipping kala ayali khangtei lipam the clipping hila different speciality we otsal pam sir klehi kacha baba maila itum akhaina akha tom rok laka itum we ot ka sag jiwlila athumna khrel ka tom rashum laka aju hila itum katam now ping la kala itum we professionals ping la encourage sang rok laka inspire sang rok laka ishi khlat ishi alungli la ka thada manga phaikar ka thada mathami da karwasik la da ishina looking beyond with atma gajiwi thimmaina aji hirung na kleine.
The ATMA's lifetime achievement was awarded to Professor retired Dr. Hopkinson Oshun, the first Tangkul surgeon and 6th doctor.
Let me read out the memento we are giving. All Tangkul Medicos Association Lifetime Achievement Award, honoring Dr. Hopi Oshun, retired professor and head of department surgery, RIMS, for his career-long achievement as the first Tangkul surgeon, a pioneer in the field, great leader and a reflection of the highest standard of excellence and dedicated life services. We present this memento in gratitude and acknowledgement for his service to the community. He is an inspiration to all of us.
In his speech, he congratulated ATMA for organizing the first conference and said the felicitation touched his heart. He called the gathering members the shining stars of Tangkul Medicos. Speaking on the occasion as the chief guest, Dr. M. Angamla, retired Joint Director, Medical Directorate, Government of Manipur, and the first Tangkul female doctor, said in the past there were very few doctors and no such forum. But today the doctors are under the umbrella of ATMA with one common platform, one common interest, and one common issue. She humbly appealed of fellow doctors to encourage each other and strengthen each other so that they can be in the race of this competitive world and pave their way to the younger generation of the community. She proudly commended on ATMA members for giving excellent contribution in the fight against COVID-19 in the past 2 years and saving thousands of lives. Guest of honors, Dr. Nelson Vashum, Executive Director of SAGE SRC Ukhrul, and Dr. A.S. Kapangring, CMO Ukhrul, also gave short speeches. Dr. Kapangring strongly stressed on the issue of low vaccination in Dangkul areas. He said there are still many anti-vaccine agents in the community and expressed his fear of more casualties in a time of third and fourth wave of COVID-19. While Dr. Nelson Vashum stressed on how Dangkuls were ahead in education and social advancement and was admired by other communities and societies, but lamented the present status of Dangkuls, who are now left behind by other communities to become more advanced in every aspect of life, including economic, education, and lifestyle. Dangkuls are now known for violence, for bloodshed, social confusion and conflict, and strongly asserted that we should try to heal this affliction.
Kal healing so the isina surgical camp the room the lay hili isina patient he selective sala kina patient mathala kina select sala gajia financially chot tak leaping hospitally afford masak herping hi itumna re the way ni itumna chok outside laga mi makka shika isina operation samire hilung hili itumi gallbladder stone he suddenly laparoscopic surgery he samite leye kala hili itumi appendicitis with operation suddenly hernia will zang de leye kala itumna braina wi shong jika now pom khu shock hysterectomy the major operation chila suddenly kala myomectomy the itumi now pom wi khawar mathai mane chikthau gynecological operation hi lak chung suddenly kala issue atma hili proud salakina itumna mention sa ngaiwa issue Manipur li bahi the private na itumwi institution maningla itum association na kasa laparoscopy came hi ishi atma na ka khania ni shija na khare ne asina saye kala chiwi thili laparoscopy we came sahi ishina next laki ji itumna proudly baya itumna hangai dele issue as we conference li issue we Mataila can is in a continuing medical education gajui part akla zangdali is in the CME the hoda issue is in a room the clay CME he Manipur Medical Council na itumi credit points so the itum ashina approve sami laka ishi kwikada leye kala hili hiwi kharin ba khigla laka itumi medical knowledge brush up ka saka up to date sa khangrok akha kala og thuili ar hon ki hiwi topic we pongli ka tha khima mai na phamai thui de le ka thak le juwi itum idea khui khangrok wi juwi lecture sang rok le ka juwi itum program ma khui ka de le